Collections are structured data where you store content to display on your site. Connect them to a dynamic page to create multiple pages with real estate listings, recipes, portfolios, and more. In these collections, each row represents a different page. Each column represents a different field. Fields contain types of content, also known as data types, to be displayed on the website. Data types include text, image, URL, location, and more. Once collection fields are imported, select the relevant data type for each one. One field to look out for is page item URL. Since each row represents a page, a URL must be defined for each row. Page item URL does just that. Make sure to include this field in every collection. When you update a collection, the pages displaying its content automatically update on your site. This can take some time, so if you wanted to update immediately, click Refresh Data. So give it a try. Start building your first collection now.